Hi friends, welcome back to a new unboxing video. So today we are unboxing the best budget mobile. So none other than Oppo A53. So without late, let's start unboxing. So this is the mobile phone. Here you can see that the main specs already have been written on this. So I'll put this aside. So afterward, this is a compartment with some this have a quick guide, a safety document, and this is a clear protective case. This is so good. And here there is a 80-watt charger provided by Oppo, and this is USB cable with Type-C port. So this is the phone, and you open this, and this phone comes with fancy blue color. So let us go to the main specs now. Screen size comes with 6.5-inch LCD display, and the screen resolution is 720 x 1600 pixels. The refresh rate of the phone is 90 Hz, and this phone is equipped with protective Gorilla Glass 3. This phone comes with 5000 mAh non-removable battery, and it also supports for 18-watt fast charging. This phone comes with Snapdragon 460 processor, and it comes with Android 10 ColorOS 7.2. Rear camera comes with 30 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The front camera comes with 60 megapixel wide angle. This phone comes with two variants. They are 4GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB. This phone comes with three attractive colors. They are fairy white, electric black, fancy blue.